Respect for the Mtaunga boy. These two have managed to convince Monnapule Saleng to join Kaizer Chiefs from the biggest revenue Orlando Pirates. He is expected to join Kaizer Chiefs when the transfer window opens because it has been always his dream to play for Kaizer Chiefs. And since his contract is expected to be terminated at the end of the season, so I can just confirm that the deal it will be settled by June. More news to come about Saleng. I will update you about what he said about Kaizer Chiefs, and the player said that he want to play for Kaizer Chiefs. I joined Orlando Pirates because my parents are fans of it, he says. It is hard for me to confirm that. I'll keep you updated. I don't want to post fake news. Stay updated. There is a player who is training with Kaizer Chiefs, and if he can do well, he is expected to play tomorrow or next week against Polowane City. He was a free agent playing in Portugal. For more football news, kindly subscribe on my channel.